Everybody can hear me, all the students? I can see some. I'm coming up a little bit, okay. Some of them are in the hot sun. Sorry for that. I think early morning sun is good. You must have seen some days back our Honorable Prime Minister, who is the brand ambassador of Swachh Bharat. He started this campaign in the year 2014. You must have seen him in Tamil Nadu, on one of the beaches. Does anybody know which beach he was there? He had gone to Tamil Nadu with there was a conference or two heads of the countries met over there, and sideline of this program, after their program, he went to the beach to relax for a day. But his mission was to see that India becomes clean. So he went on that beach. He saw so much of untidiness, the habits of our people of that vicinity. जे लोक थिंगा रावता, ट्युरिस्ट बिचार येता. आता तुम्ही पयला आसतले सगळे ट्युरिस्ट येता पळय त्या बिचार. All of us have one bad habit. Most of them, maybe 10% are different. So they eat chips and they want to throw it out. So now all of you students are brought over here for only one reason. And the reason is the teachers, your teachers who are over here, and we all of us who are sitting over here, Mr. Pankaj ji, who has come from Ministry of Environment and Forest, Dr. Joseph, who is our nodal officer for this program, our Pradeep, Professor Pradeep, the Member Secretary of Goa State Council for Science and Technology, all of us who are over here, the head of the Panchayat of Kalangut, Arpara Nagua, Kandolin, we are here to cultivate in you the good habits, especially as far as Swachhata is concerned. We want you to be the ambassadors of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Ji Modi's campaign for Swachh Bharat. We want you to practice this in your house first, about how to keep your house clean, your surroundings clean, your backyard clean, your road clean. Then you can talk about it to your neighbors, to your friends, in the school, at home, your neighborhood, how to keep your area clean, your ward clean. Narendra Ji Modi, our Prime Minister, went on the beach to send a message to the people of India. तेणे मेसेज दिली आमकां की आमी जो तरी बीच क्लीन दवरिना जाल्यार फॉरेन ट्युरिस्ट जो गोंया येता तो कमी जायत वयतलो म्हणून. The tourists who are coming from international will decline. And one of the reason, indirectly he said, is if you don't keep your beach clean. We are duty bound because this is natural sandy beach and a beautiful sea and the waves, all these are given by God. And when God gave it to us, He gave it very clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness, Mantami. But really we practice it? I don't think so. If you walk down now on the beach, you will find so many tourists. They are very busy over there, eating something, eating chips, drinking bottle of water. Some will be even drinking beer, which they are not supposed to do. They will be bringing some food packets, and after eating that, they will want to throw it just like that. But if they are in their own house, they will not do this. ते जो तर तेंचे घरान आसत ते करचे ना. तुम्ही कितें जेवण जेवन फूड पॅकेट घरानूच उडयता अशें? All students उडयता? So you have to be the brand ambassador to tell your parents, because ते जनरेशनान स्वच्छता म्हणून एक बेश्टे केन्नाय उलयताले ते, आता आमी उलयत आहा. We are continuously talking. Your teachers must be talking. Our Prime Minister is talking. Our Panchayat members are talking. Sarpanchas are talking. Like-minded people are talking. NGOs are talking. The media is talking. The newspapers are talking. Everybody is talking about keeping India clean, keeping Goa clean. So the responsibility lies with your generation. तुम्ही जी आयज वयर सोदता, व्हडली जाता, तुम्ही जो तर हे कल्टिवेट करीत तुमच्या भितर की आय विल कीप माय सेल्फ क्लीन, आय विल कीप माय हाऊस क्लीन, यू विल डेफिनेटली कीप युअर सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन. यू विल डेफिनेटली टेल समबडी, तुमचो नेबर जो तर चिप्स खावन कितें उडयता, हो फूड पॅकेट उडयता, हो बॉटल उडयता उदकाची, तुम्ही ताका सांगपाक जाय, सर यू बाय मिस्टेक यू हॅव थ्रोन. तुम्ही ताका इन्सल्ट करूंक उपकारना की तू कित्याक उडयला हें म्हणून. Sir, by mistake you have thrown. He'll feel a little ashamed. कि a small child is telling me, 40 वर्षाचे मनशाक तुम्ही सांगशी, by mistake you have thrown your belonging on the ground or on the roadside. Please pick it up, sir. तो खऱ्यानीच काडटलो ते. He'll feel bad and he'll not do it again. So that is why you are the brand ambassadors to take the dream of our Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi, Swachhata Hi Seva. He start kelle our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. In those years, we are still talking about it. Whenever I talk to students, I always say that Mahatma Gandhi started this 70 years back, 75 years back, and we are still talking about it. Today our Prime Minister tells us, let us practice it. And when we say practice it, it has to start with you, the brand ambassadors of our generation next. Tumi generation next. And the generation next has to take it ahead. Tumi हे फुडें व्हरपाक जाय. आनी फुडें वतना तुमी जो तर तुमच्या भितर हे कल्टिवेट करीत क्लिनलीनेसाचे हे आमचे एक मिशन आहा पळय तें, जाल्यार definitely the generation next, the kids who are just 2-3 years old today will automatically have it in them when they are growing up, because you will be teaching them. And I once again thank all the teachers. In a short notice you all have brought the students over here, and let us take this mission seriously. Let us take this mission to logical end. We have seen lot of changes in Kalangut, Kandolim, Baga and the coastal belt. आधी खूप मेळ आसताले हिंगा, आता खूप चेंजेस झाले, बट 100% अचीव करपा खातीर म्हाका दिसता गरज तुमची, all the students who are standing over here, तुमची गरज आहे, because you will slowly start talking about you. You will correct our elders आणि तुमका करेक्ट करपाक जाय. म्हाका दिसता in this mission you will have to correct the elders, because most of the elders are not very sensitive towards this waste which they generate themselves. तो सगळो वेस्ट जो आमी आज म्हणटा, गार्बेज म्हणटा, वेस्ट म्हणटा, प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स म्हणटा, पेपर्स, प्लास्टिक, whatever is there we see around over here, we say that it is waste, but who generates it? We all generate it. We are responsible for it. Let us treat this waste and let us take it to a proper place which we have built in Kalangut Saligaon, that is the solid waste management plant, and we'll treat it over there. I want you all to come one day. Your teachers should bring you all one day to our solid waste management plant, GWMC plant in Kalangut, and you see how we are treating waste. When we take it from here, how we are treating it over there. We're turning waste into electricity. So you have to come and see it in your own eyes, so that you can talk to others, talk to our generation next, talk to our elders to change themselves. Thank you very much, especially all the dignitaries who have come over here and are part of this mission Swachhata Hi Seva, Swachh Bharat campaign of India. Thank you very much.
for Science and Technology, Dr. Joseph Rauter de Souza. I welcome Sarpanchas of the village Panchayat of Parra, Halandut, Arpara Nagba and Kandulin. A warm welcome to all the teachers, my dear students, print and press media, and dear friends. It is said, if you nurture the nature, and then the nature will nurture you. The Department of Science and Technology, in its endeavor to protect, to protect the environment, there are a number of projects and initiatives which are taken all along the year. This year, a special program is organized in 10 different states across India, and we are lucky that Goa has been chosen as one of the states, and the main initiative is to sensitize people, and more particularly to sensitize students for cleanliness drive, not around their houses, not in their villages, but particularly along the beaches. As you know, we have Mahadev River, Mandavi River as a lifeline. At the same time, 105 kilometers of the coastal belt is the lifeline of the residents of all the people along the coastal belt. And tourism being the main industry of the state of Goa, it is very important to maintain our beaches clean and make sure that the visitors who come not only from different parts of India but around the globe, we present them a picture so that they would try to visit here time and again every year. This initiative of cleanliness drive, it has been conceptualized by the Ministry of Environment Climate Change for a week's time. So we are going to have this program for this week from 11th to 17th of this month, and all the beaches along the coastal area, our officers right now, they have been working along all the beaches, right from Ashwe, Mandre to Kolva and Velsa beaches. So it's nice of you as the students to sensitize people, because once you are enlightened about the need of our beaches to maintain clean, you will become an ambassadors to your people around your houses. So it is not only that education should be within the four walls of the classroom, and the real education will be when you are sensitive about the social issues. So you should pass on this message to others that we have to maintain our environment, we have to maintain our beautiful Goa clean and swachh. So with these words, I welcome once again all the dignitaries present over here, and in particularly our Minister for Science and Technology, Mr. Michael Lobo, whose guidance is always there whenever we try to take any initiative, any program under his department. Once again, thank you very much.
Science and Technology and Solid Waste Management, Mr. Michael Lobo. Respected members on the dais, and our children who have come from their school, Eco Club. They are Eco Club students, and nodal teachers, our respectable SNA, Member Secretary. I am very happy to address this gathering, which is called Swachh Nirmal Tat Abhiyan. It is just like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Our aim is to clean the whole country. Our aim is to clean the dirtiness, ugliness, and bad habits. So, Ministry of Environment Forest, with the help of state agencies, has organized this program for the coastal states and union territory from 11 to 17. But for this beach, we could start only on this day with the help of Honorable Minister of Science and Technology.